Hey guys, I got gifted a toolbox to do a little box opening and see what all we get with it. So let's get it out of the box. There it is. Pretty cool looking. This particular one comes in pink. Make a perfect ladies gift. 278 piece tool sets with 8-bolt cordless drill. That was one of the main things I liked about this set that came with a drill. You know, you can buy a lot of them that come with screwdrivers and box end wrenches and a little hammer and things, but not all of them come with a cordless drill. And if you do much at all around the house, a cordless drill will definitely come in handy. Let's get it opened up and see what it actually looks like inside here. Pretty nice. I guess these go up here or something. Oh, okay. Probably failed during shipping or something, or somebody dropped it, no telling. As your star heads, Phillips, flathead. That's nice. The long ones. And of course, as you just saw, it did have the little short ones right here. And Allen wrenches. Some zip ties, user manual, a USB-A to USB-C charging cord for our cordless screwdriver, your contents list. Besides these right here that we already saw in the Allen wrenches, got a little razor cutter there, like a box cutter, some sockets, hammer, some little screwdrivers for your glasses and things like that. A Phillips screwdriver, your driver for your little sockets there, and a flathead screwdriver. Here on this side we have a pair of pliers, a level, our cordless drill, some drill bits, scissors, tape measure, and some miscellaneous screws here. As good as this stuff snaps in, I don't know how them tools up there fell out. Got nails and screws and stuff to mount pictures and things like that onto the wall, or little jobs. Whatever a screw or a nail may be used for, you got some right there. I want to see how well this cordless screwdriver works. I have a little project out front to basically take a little mount off of a wall. I've got screwed on there. Nice feeling little screwdriver. Has a little flashlight on the front. Power indicator here on the back. It's got some power. Your reverse button right here behind the trigger, basically. Put it in the middle and it won't go anywhere. I do like the fact that it's got a light right there. That will be handy sometimes. We are going to need a Phillips screwdriver bit. We'll pop these back out of here. We'll just put that in there, then back it off some more. Put it in there like so. Push the button back forward. Hold on to it real tight. Kind of tighten it up. You don't have to get it overly tight. Plus, these will fit in the nut driver here. So if you didn't want to use the electric screwdriver, you could use this, just like that. If the battery's dead or for whatever reason, you got this right here. And this will go in on your sockets as well. Go out there and try it out. See how well it works. Oh, by the way, you can charge it up right here on the bottom. It's got a USB-C port. Right now, it looks like we got plenty of power. We got 2 bars, 2 little lights. So that ought to work. I'll meet y'all out front. It's got a little mount right there. Need to move it down further. Okay, that bit was too small for this big of a screw, so I had to get another one. We'll try it. There we go. Pull it out. Now, right in here is about where we need it. So, we'll try this out. Perfect. Just what we needed. Well, it got the job done. I did have to change a bit because this one was a little too small for that big of a screw. But just around the house on normal screws and stuff like that, little jobs, this will work perfect. You can also put the attachment in for the sockets. Stick this one out, put that in your socket right there, just like so. Just switch this one out. Drop that right in there. There you go. Now you got a nut driver. Really handy little tool. Looks like it's going to go from 3/16 up to a 1/2 inch on your sockets. Got all kinds of bits in there. I'll tell you what, I'll put a list of the contents right here. We can kind of look at that and see what all it does come with. It comes with a lot. Really nice set. We'll get it all put back in here correctly, so be able to keep up with it. When you go to putting these back in there, if you'll go down like that and then lay it flat, it works out better. Kind of put it in a little bit of an angle, like so, and then just lay it down. Really nice set. I like it. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself or get it as a gift for somebody special in your life, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order it today. Also, if you got any kind of value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.